Hello. Today I'm going to do a study for my practice for nines. Now, the number 9 is a special number. I want you to look at some features of 9. Okay. First thing you want to know about 9 is that 9 is one less than 10. Okay. So it's one less than 10. Left, right, way, left is left, right. One less than 10. So it's going to be an easy number to multiply by. Also, that all the answers, okay, they equal 9. All answer equals 9, okay? Even with digit sum. So if you had something like this here, if you had a 2, a 3, let's say, and a 6, and a 1, okay? Let's say that was your answer. Then you would digit sum it. You would go 5, 6, and then you would go 12. Let's make sure we get that right. You go 2 plus 3 is 5. 5 plus 6 is 11. And 11 plus 1 is 12, okay? So that doesn't equal 9. So let's do it this way. We're going to add a 6. Thank you. Okay. So you've got 5, 11, 12, and 6. Good. And that equals 18. And 1 and 8 equal 9. That's what I wanted to show you. Okay. So let's just do an example. Let's go 9 times 9 is 81. And 81 equals 9. Let's go 9 times 8 is 72, which equals 9. See? So it works all the way across. Now, pause for a second here. So here I wrote down a number from 0 to 9 and from 9 to 0 to kind of show you what happens, okay? This is the way the numbers go in natural order: 0 to 9, and then what it adds on to make it into a 9. So 0 plus 9 is 9, 1 plus 8, 2, 7, and so on and so forth, back up to 9 and 0. So this kind of shows you the progression of numbers multiplied by 9. So if you were to do this, 9 times 61, okay, it's going to be the same thing. Your answer is going to end up equaling 9, okay? If you do 9 times 342, the answer is going to equal 9. It doesn't matter what it is, the answer will always equal 9. So, again, this is not the answer, but the answer will always equal 9 if you break it down, okay? And I will show you that a little bit more as we move on through. So what we're going to do is we're going to use this first number here and show you a little feature of 9. And so we'll write down this way: 61 times 9. We're going to put a 0 here just to kind of do like a space holder, okay? The rule is that the first number equals 10. Everything else equals 9. And then at the end, it has to be reduced by 1 to balance out the fact that the first one was 10. So you start here, you go 1 plus 1 equals 10, it's a 9. Here you go 6 plus what equals 9, it's a 3. So 3 and 1 is 4. Okay, that's it. Then reduce this number here by 1, and you put it here, so it's a 5. All right, and then that's the answer. And as you can see, that 4 and 5 is 9, and it's a 9. So the answer equals 9. You know it's correct. All right? Good. Move over here this time. And we'll do the larger number that I had from the first example. And that will be 342 times 9. Again, put 0 here just for a placeholder, just to show you the answer will end at that point. So again, we'll just start. For 10, it's an 8. This makes it 9, it's going to be a 5. So 5 and 2 is 7. Okay. Then here you've got 6 and 4 is 10. So you put this 0 and you carry. Now because it is a carry here, like a little dot to carry, means you don't got to reduce the number by 1 because it would be a 4. Just leave the 3 as it is, and you put the 3 right here. Okay? That's the answer. Let's do it again. Make sure you got that. I did go kind of fast. So this is to 10. So 2 and 8 is 10. Then this would be to 9. So that would be a 5. 5 plus 2 is 7. Then here this would be a 6. 6 and 4 is 10. Put a little dot and you're done. But then you bring down, you would basically take the dot, which is 1, and add to the 4, and it'll be a 4. But because we're at the end, we're at the 0, you have to reduce this by 1. So just bring the 3 down naturally. And the answer, you can see, equals 9. This is 10 plus 8 is 18, which is a 1, and an 8, which equal 9. Okay? That's what I'm saying. So every number that you have will always equal 9. Okay, so let me just make an error list for you and we'll do some more. Okay. So again, we're going to look at this here, and the only way this doesn't work is if you make a mistake. Make a mistake and you have to just do it again. I've done some before and made mistakes and said, oh, I did some simple math mistake. So we're going to try not to make any mistakes. So let me look at this first of all here. Hang on for a quick second. All right, here we go. So let's start from right here. So again, it's from 10, so it's an 8. You know, it's going to be a 2, so 2 and 2 is 4. This is a 3. 3 and 7 is 10. So we're at the end. We know this has to be reduced by 1, but since there's a 1 here, a little dot, let's bring the 6 down, and we're done. Okay? And you want to make sure it equals to 9. You know it's 18. You see right there. It's done. It's the second one. Okay? We're going to go to 10. That'll be a 9. Okay? This is 5 and 1 is 6. Okay, good. 4 and 4 is 8. Okay, there's no carry. Reduced by 1, it's a 4. Okay? And now we see here that this here is 12 and 4 is 18, and then there's a 9 there, so we know it's equal to 27, so we know it's fine. All right, let's move down a little bit. Next one. And this one is to 10, so it's a 4. And what's this here? It's a 6. 6 and 6 is 12. So there is a carry. This would have been a 1, but now it's a 2. So 2, it's like 8 and 1 is 9, but now it's a 2. So 2 and 3 is 5. There's no carry. So we just bring this down to 7. Okay. And we look at here, and we can see we got 12, 13, 14, and this was 18, so it's good. Next one, coming down here. So you can get this one with me. This is to 10, so this is a 6. Okay, this is a 9, so it's 0. So it's going to be 0 plus 4 is 4, right? Good. This is a 3. 3 and 9 is 12. So we put down a 2. And we have a little dot here, that means we carried. But since we got to reduce it by 1, we just put down the 6. And you're done. And what we got here? So we've got 12, 14, 18. We know it's right. And the last one here on the bottom. Okay. Working with here. This is going to be from 10 is a 2. 7 and 8 is 15. There's a little dot there, right? So again, this is a 7, but now it's an 8. So 8 and 2 is 10. Put a 0, carry. If we reduce it by 1, we just bring the 2 down, and we got a 2. And what we got here, okay? Make sure we got this right. I hope I made mistakes somewhere, but so far I didn't make a mistake. This is 4 and 5 is 9. So we got that. Now, again, I'm not worried about it, making mistakes. I don't want to make any mistakes. And so I didn't have to make the example of making a mistake and have to go back and say, hey, it didn't equal. But let's just say, for example, that we had something happen and we had made this into a 1. Okay, let's do it that way. So instead of taking from 10, we took it from 9. And so we go 1. So everything else would have been correct, but at the end it would have been off by 1. So just make sure that you get the right number and you get the right answer. And I think it's pretty good. That's a pretty good thing to do. And so I'll give you a little bit of homework you can do. All right, so this will be your homework you can do. This is a big number. Okay. So this is 0 is placeholder. So it's going to be 2, 6, 4, 5, 3, 2, 7 times 9. And see if you can look at this number here and figure out how to get the proper answer. When you get the proper answer, you would be able to say, I did it. Now, again, I'm not going to reveal it right now, but you can just like stop the video, write this down, and work on this one here. Okay. So I will let you do that. Just leave it here, look at it, and let's see how it starts. Okay, without writing anything down. We know that it starts from 10, and then from 9. Everything comes from 9, from 9, from 9, from 9. Then it ends here and it reduces by 1. The only way it wouldn't reduce by 1 is if we had a carry. So if there was a dot here, which would mean a 1, then we would not have to reduce it, just bring it down naturally, because it's already knows you have to do 1, but you don't have to because there's 1 there. And you go through these numbers here, and you can see that these numbers they're going to be kind of big on the bottom, not on the top. Like here, this is a big number here, so the number on the bottom will be small. This will be the 3, not a 2. With over here, and the rest of the ones after the first number will be a 2. But these are going to be big numbers here. You're going to get a 7. You're going to get a 6. Not very big. This is big, small, right? This will be bigger. This will be a 6, a 7, and then this will be small, 3. So you know that when you deal with a large number, you get a small bottom. If you get a large top, you get a large bottom. Okay, so large top, small bottom. Small top, large bottom. But don't be afraid. Nothing ever equals more than towards 9 on the bottom. Okay, so it's not that hard to do. As you go on the cross diagonal from here, you always go. You look at what it is, and you're done here. But then you go, what it is plus that, what it is plus that, what it is plus that, what it is plus that. Very comfortable. What it is plus that, what it is plus that, and then you end here. This is not the number that you're dealing with. Okay, this is only the end space that you use. This could be a real number if there was something in front of it, but at the end this is just a placeholder. So there's not a 9 underneath here. You don't got to deal with that because it's not part of the equation. as you get better, as you learn at what point to start to reduce by 1, you don't have to write the 0 down. But when I teach it to someone, I always want to use that as a feature so we can say, okay, well, this is where you stop and reduce. Okay, so that's what that means, stop and reduce. All right. So now that we've done that, I'm going to pause the video, and then I will reveal the number and see if you got the same thing as I got. So now we're back, and this is the answer here. And I've already wrote it down. I've already made sure that it equals 9. So this is the answer. So the answer should be 5521794 All right. And so that's great. So if you got the answer, give yourself an A+. Okay. You can do that. You can give yourself a star, high five, whatever you want. But the point is, you now understand the concept of multiplying by 9, and you're awesome. Okay, this is John from Life Academy. Thanks for watching. Please do me a favor here and give me a like if you like the video. If you're not a subscriber, please subscribe. If you don't like it, then give me a thumbs down. But don't just watch it and do nothing. Okay, it's about my ego here. And please comment. Tell me if you like the video or not. Share the video with your friends because you want to teach other people. And watch it more than once because you can't get all in one sitting, okay? So let's work together. Let's make this world a better place. Let's help people out with this knowledge. And thanks for sharing. Again, this is John from Life Academy. Life Academy is about you. Have a great day.